In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove indicators on WhiteBIT charts. Technical indicators can be very helpful when analyzing the market, but there may be times when you want to remove one or more indicators to simplify your chart or switch to a different trading setup. Fortunately, WhiteBIT makes this process quick and easy through its TradingView charts. On the WhiteBIT trading page, locate the TradingView chart for the trading pair you're viewing. Any indicators you've added will appear either directly on the price chart or in separate panels below the chart, depending on the type of indicator. To remove an indicator, first locate its name. Indicator labels are usually displayed in the upper left corner of the chart or at the top of the indicator panel. Move your cursor over the indicator's name. You'll see several options appear, including a settings icon and a remove, which is often displayed as a trash can. Click the remove icon, and the indicator will immediately disappear from the chart. The rest of your chart, including your selected time frame and any remaining indicators, will stay exactly as they are. If you've added several indicators and only want to remove one of them, simply repeat the same process for the specific indicator you no longer need. Each indicator can be removed individually without affecting the others. And that's all there is to it. Removing indicators on WhiteBIT.